Welcome to the shop. Welcome to the shop. What flavor do you want? What flavor do you want? I want chocolate, please. I want chocolate, please. Do you want a cone? Do you want a cone? No, I want a cup. No, I want a cup. 1 scoop or 2? 1 scoop or 2? 2 scoops, please. 2 scoops, please. Is vanilla your favorite? Is vanilla your favorite? Yes, I love vanilla. Yes, I love vanilla. Anything else for you? Anything else for you? Can I have sprinkles? Can I have sprinkles? Sprinkles are very tasty. Sprinkles are very tasty. Here is your ice cream. Here is your ice cream. It looks very delicious. It looks very delicious. How much is it? How much is it? It is $3. It is $3. Here is the money. Here is the money. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are welcome. Enjoy your cold treat. Enjoy your cold treat. Is it cold enough? Is it cold enough? Yes, it is perfect. Yes, it is perfect. See you again soon. See you again soon. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye, my friend.